हेलो स्टूडेंट। आज मैं आपको एमएससी केमिस्ट्री का प्रैक्टिकल सिलेबस शेयर करने वाली हूँ, जो कि है सेकेंड ईयर का सेम थर्ड पेपर है इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री स्पेशल प्रैक्टिकल। जो इनऑर्गेनिज्म में स्पेशलाइजेशन करते हैं उनके लिए है इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री स्पेशल प्रैक्टिकल, दैट इज लैब 06। Exercise 1, students should perform at least 10 experiments. Out of this, you have to perform any 10 experiments. Water analysis and complexometric titration. First, estimation of total hardness of a given sample of water by complexometric titration. Water analysis of sample by determining COD, DO and BOD. Water analysis of sample by determining alkalinity, salinity, fluoride, chloride, phosphate and water sulfate. Determination of calcium from given drug sample by complexometrically. Estimation of Mg2 plus or Zn2 plus ion by complexometric titration using EDTA. Analysis of given sample of brass alloy for its copper content iodometrically and zinc content complexometrically. Analysis of given sample bronze alloy for its Cu content by complexometrically and tin content gravimetrically. Analysis of magnesium alloy for its Al content gravimetrically as basic succinic and Mg content complexometrically. B part, spectrophotometric, conductometric and potentiometric determination. Determination of stability constant and stoichiometry of ferric thiocyanate complex by spectrophotometrically to study the stoichiometry and stability of Fe3 plus salicylate complex by job and mole ratio method spectrophotometrically. ये प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपने देख लेना, क्या मुझे आ नहीं रहा वो अच्छे से। स्टियोचियोमेट्री। Estimate the amount of copper to ion with EDTA by photometric titration. Determination the composition and formation constant of FeSSA complex by conductometrically. Determination stepwise proton ligands and metal ligand stability constant of complex by Irving-Rossotti method. Determination of stability constant ZnNH3 4 2 plus complex potentiometrically. Determination of stability constant of FeSCN2 plus complex by slope ratio method. Determination the amount of iron present in the sample using 110 phenanthroline spectrophotometrically. Exercise second, students should perform at least 5 experiments. Synthesis of nano-sized material and their characterization by spectral method. Analysis of NPK for fertilization. Analysis of cement to estimate the amount of Mg and Zn in a given sample solution by ion exchange chromatographic method. Separation and estimation of Fe2 plus, CO2 plus and Ni2 plus by cation exchanger. Separation and estimation of halide ions by anion exchanger. Separation and estimation of Fe3 plus and Mg2 plus by solvent extraction. Solvation extraction by binary mixture. Al, Mg, Cu, Ni, Cu, Co and their quantitative determination spectrophotometrically. Separation, identification and determination of RF value of metal ions by paper chromatography. Separation, identification and determination of RF value of metal by thin layer chromatography. ये सब हो गया अपना फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री का एक्सपेरिमेंट। सॉरी, नॉट अ फिजिकल, इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री स्पेशल पेपर। आज देखते हैं कि एमएससी केमिस्ट्री सेकेंड ईयर सेम थर्ड में कौन कौन से प्रैक्टिकल आते हैं। फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल देखते हैं जिसका कोड है CH3 305 लैब 05 बेस्ड ऑन DSC 312 एंड 3, जिसमें फर्स्ट आता है एक्सरसाइज 1 कंप्यूटर एडेड केमिस्ट्री एक्सपेरिमेंट। जनरल स्ट्रक्चर आइसोमर फॉर अ गिवन मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला C6H14, ड्रॉ ऑल द पॉसिबल आइसोमर्स ऑफ हेक्सेन। Draw the complete curly arrow mechanism of the chemical reaction. Choose a reaction, example nucleophilic substitution addition reaction, and draw the step-by-step mechanism including any intermediates and transferring it to MS Word and MS PowerPoint. Overall reaction and its mechanism expected. Draw enantiomers and dienantiomers for a given compound possessing two or more chiral center, highlight the stereocenter and demonstrate how the isomers differ. Select the molecule and rotatable bond and draw its various conformation. Emphasize the most stable conformation and explain the reason behind its stability. Draw 2D structure of conformation of ethane, butane and cyclohexane. Draw 3 coordination complex with the transition metal center and ligand. Specify the coordination number and geometry of the complex. Note: ligand should be combine, combination of mono, bi and tri-dentate ligand. Drawing 2D structure and 10 heterocyclic compound and their bi and tri substitution derivative, 4 derivative each. Drawing the 2D structure at least 5 marked drugs and reporting their IUPAC name, uses and mechanism of action. Conversion of 2D structure of compound drawn in experiment 7 and 8 to their SMILES rotation and transferring it to MS Excel spreadsheet in a tabular format. Conversion of 2D structure of compound drawn in experiment 7 and 8 to 3D optimized structure using MMFF94 force field and saving as .sdf or .mol file format. Drawing the 2D structure of 5 and 6 member monosaccharides, glucose and ribose. Drawing well-labeled diagram of simple distillation assembly using ChemSketch. Retrieval of 3D structure of protein enzymes associated with two different diseases from internet and plotting their Ramchandran plot using software. Note: the student will report the importance and role of proteins for the disease organism, FASTA sequence of amino acid residue, information about bound native ligand, and interpretation of Ramchandra plot. At least 2 protein per disease, that is total 4 proteins. ये हो गया अपना एक्सरसाइज 1 में का कंप्यूटर एडेड केमिस्ट्री। इसमें आपको सब MS वर्ड्स और MS जो केमिस्ट्री के जो क्या बोलते हैं, इसमें जो केमिस्ट्री का सॉफ्टवेयर है उसके हिसाब से आपको ये केमिस्ट्री के सब स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करना है। 2D स्ट्रक्चर 3D स्ट्रक्चर आपको इसमें ड्रॉ करना है MS वर्ड और MS पावर पॉइंट में लेकर। ठीक है, इन इंस्ट्रूमेंट 2D 3D कोऑर्डिनेशन कॉम्प्लेक्स जो भी करना है शुगर का वगैरह वो आपको इसको एक्सपेरिमेंट करके दिखाना है। देन एक्सरसाइज 2 ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री एक्सपेरिमेंट। Halogen addition to C double bond C bond. Bromination of trans steel beans. 4+2 cycloaddition reaction, disulfide reaction between furan and malic acid. Coenzymes catalyze benzoic condensation. Thiamine hydrochloride catalyze synthesis of benzoin. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, nitration of phenol. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction 2, bromination of acetanilide. Green photochemical reaction, photoreduction of benzophenone to benzophenol. 7th, radical coupling reaction, preparation of 1,1-bis 2 naphthol. Ionic liquid 1-methyl-3-pentyl imidazolium bromide (BR) and its application. To produce biodiesel from vegetable oil via trans-esterification, a process that minimizes waste and uses renewable resources. A Grignard-like organic reaction of allyl bromide with benzaldehyde in water. 1-pot synthesis of chalcone epoxide via Cayley-Smith condensation and epoxidation. 3 components coupling, synthesis of dihydropyrimidinone, preparation of 2-phenyl benzothiazoles, and preparation of manganese acetylacetonate MnAAC और MnC5H7O2/3। ये सब आपको प्रिपेयर करना है सेकेंड पार्ट में। ठीक है, तो ये सब कौन से प्रैक्टिकल का है? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द लैब 5।